Hello everyone, welcome back to EducQuiz for the solution to exercise 3 under the quadratic theory chapter. So the question goes by, given that one root of the quadratic equation x squared minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 is 3 times the other, find the value of the constant k. So they told us that one root is 3 times the other. Let's copy back the equation. This is the solution. We have x squared minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. One root is 3 times the other, which means the first root is, let's assume that the first root is alpha. Then what will be the next root? One root is 3 times the other, means the next root is 3 times alpha in it. So your initial roots are alpha and 3 alpha. So what are we asked to do? Find the value of the constant k. Okay, we should find the value of the constant k to just give us the roots. From what we know about the relationship between this equation and its roots, like the relationship between the equation itself and its roots. What's the relationship? It is, we have x squared minus x plus x squared minus sum of root x plus product of roots. Let me just tweak it in terms of the roots themselves. So we have x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is actually the relation that we have today. In this case, beta is 3 alpha because the first root is alpha, the second root is 3 alpha because we said one root is 3 times the other. So alpha beta in this case, we have x squared minus alpha plus beta is alpha plus 3 alpha because our beta is 3 alpha. So 4 alpha here, x plus alpha beta is 3 alpha squared. So actually, from what we are seeing here, if we equate, we can see that 3 alpha squared is equal to k. 3 alpha squared is k equals 0 here. 3 alpha squared is k, which means, well, yeah, 3 alpha squared is k. To find the value of k, we should find alpha. So from here, you can see that this is negative, negative. So 8 is equal to 4 alpha because 4 alpha is the coefficient of x. Actually, minus 4 alpha is the coefficient of x. Minus 8 here is the coefficient of x. So let's take the minuses if you want. We have minus 8 is equal to, well, I'll write this first. I'll have minus 4 alpha is equal to minus 8, which implies 4 alpha is equal to 8 when you divide all through by negative. You have this, which implies alpha. Why do I divide all through? Well, which implies alpha is equal to 2. When you have your alpha as 2, you replace here to find your k, which implies, what is your k going to be? K is going to be 3 times 2 squared because alpha squared, that's it. Which implies k is equal to 12. So the question actually looked tricky, but it's simple. You just have to find the thing. So, yeah, you just have to know the rules of quadratics, the relationship between the coefficients of the x's in the equation and the roots. So when you know this, on exercise 4 for the solution of exercise 4. So Till then, keep on solving with us on EducQuiz.